Hello everybody and welcome to this week's virtual pub quiz. Now today, as always, we've got 30 questions for you. The first 15 are based on general knowledge, followed by 15 questions all about food. So thinking caps on, what we're going to do is we're going to go through and do all of the questions first, and then put me on pause, make sure you've got all your answers together, and we'll go through and see how well you've scored. So let's get started. Question 1. In the nursery rhyme, Sing a Song of Sixpence, what was the king doing in his counting house? In the nursery rhyme, Sing a Song of Sixpence, what was the king doing in his counting house? Question 2. What is the common name beginning with J for a young kangaroo? What is the common name beginning with J for a young kangaroo? Question 3. Which South African city is known as Mother City? Which South African city is known as Mother City? Question 4. Ocean topaz stones are predominantly which colour? Ocean topaz stones are predominantly which colour? Question 5. How many legs does a crab have? How many legs does a crab have? Question 6. In which county is Brands Hatch Motor Racing Circuit? In which county is Brands Hatch Motor Racing Circuit? Question 7. What type of creature was George in the classic TV show Rainbow? What type of creature was George in the classic TV show Rainbow? Question 8. What form of energy is often known as motion energy? What form of energy is often known as motion energy? Question 9. Which early adding device comes from the Latin for flat surface? Which early adding device comes from the Latin for flat surface? Question 10. Who succeeded George Washington as President of the United States? Who succeeded George Washington as President of the United States? (11) Which chemical element has the symbol Fe? Which chemical element has the symbol Fe? Question 12. Which South American country gained independence from Spain in 1821? Which South American country gained independence from Spain in 1821? (13) In baseball, where do the Red Sox come from? In baseball, where do the Red Sox come from? (14) How many pieces are there in a standard set of dominoes? How many pieces are there in a standard set of dominoes? (15) In which country did the rumba originate? In which country did the rumba originate? Okay, so that's your 15 general knowledge, and now we're on to 15 questions all about food. So, question 16. What word beginning with the letter F is the name given to ribbon-shaped pasta? What word beginning with the letter F is the name given to ribbon-shaped pasta? (17) What variety of orange was named after a Japanese provenance? What variety of orange was named after a Japanese province? (18) Which expensive type of vinegar is aged in wooden barrels? Which expensive type of vinegar is aged in wooden barrels? (19) What type of food is set off rolling down a hill in an annual event at Cooper's Hill, Gloucestershire? What type of food is set off rolling down a hill in an annual event at Cooper's Hill, Gloucestershire? Question 20. What surprising garden use can orange peel be used for? What surprising garden use can orange peel be used for? (21) Now you either love it or hate it, but which breakfast item is proudly made in Burton-on-Trent? Which breakfast item is proudly made in Burton-on-Trent? (22) When it comes to breakfast, what are soldiers? So when it comes to breakfast, what are soldiers? (23) What meat is used in a shepherd's pie? What meat is used in a shepherd's pie? (24) Which vegetable was first known as Italian asparagus? Which vegetable was first known as Italian asparagus? (25) What does BISTO stand for? So what does BISTO stand for? (26) Which county is most famed for its hot pot? Which county is most famed for its hot pot? (27) Calamari is a dish made from which animal? Calamari is a dish made from which animal? (28) Grenadine is obtained from which fruit? Grenadine is obtained from which fruit? (29) Which MasterChef presenter was formerly a greengrocer? Which MasterChef presenter was formerly a greengrocer? And lastly, question 30. What type of pastry are profiteroles made out of? What type of pastry are profiteroles made out of? So that's all your questions. Gather all your answers together and join me in a few seconds and we'll go through and see how well you've scored. See you in a sec. Okay, so welcome back, and it's now time to go through and see how well you've scored out of 30. So question 1. In the nursery rhyme, Sing a Song of Sixpence, what was the king doing in his counting house? Counting out his money. Question 2. What is the common name beginning with J for a young kangaroo? Joey. Question 3. Which South African city is known as Mother City? Cape Town. Question 4. Ocean topaz stones are predominantly which colour? Blue. Question 5. How many legs does a crab have? 10. Question 6. In which county is Brands Hatch Motor Racing Circuit? Kent. Question 7. What type of creature was George in the classic TV show Rainbow? A hippo. Question 8. What form of energy is often known as motion energy? Kinetic. Question 9. Which early add-in device comes from the Latin for flat surface? Abacus. Question 10. Who succeeded George Washington as President of the United States? John Adams. Question 11. Which chemical element has the symbol Fe? Iron. Question 12. Which South American country gained independence from Spain in 1821? Peru. 13. In baseball, where do the Red Sox come from? Boston. 14. How many pieces are there in a standard set of dominoes? 28. 15. In which country did the rumba originate? Cuba. 16. What word beginning with F is the name given to ribbon-shaped pasta? Fettuccine. 17. What variety of orange was named after a Japanese province? Satsuma. 18. Which expensive type of vinegar is aged in wooden barrels? Balsamic. 19. What type of food is set off rolling down a hill in an annual event at Cooper's Hill, Gloucestershire? Cheese. Question 20. What surprising garden use can orange peel be used for? Repelling slugs. 21. Which breakfast item is proudly made in Burton-on-Trent? Marmite. 22. When it comes to breakfast, what are soldiers? A strip of bread or toast. 23. What meat is used in a shepherd's pie? Lamb. 24. Which vegetable was first known as Italian asparagus? Broccoli. 25. What does BISTO stand for? So who knew, but it stands for browns instantly, seasons and thickens in one. 26. Which county is most famed for its hot pot? Lancashire. 27. Calamari is a dish made from which animal? Squid. 28. Grenadine is obtained from which fruit? Pomegranate. 29. Which MasterChef presenter was formerly a greengrocer? Greg Wallace. And lastly, question 30. What type of pastry are profiteroles made out of? Choux. So that's all your answers. Toss them up, see how well you scored, and join me again next week for another virtual pub quiz. See you then, take care. Bye for now.